Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage Cottagecore home decor. Let's start the video. Vintage cottage home decor blends old world charm with cozy lived-in comfort. It creates a warm and inviting atmosphere by incorporating vintage, antique, or repurposed pieces with soft, romantic, and natural elements. The style often reflects a nostalgic or loved aesthetic, with a mix of rustic, shabby, and farmhouse influences. Key elements of vintage cottage decor. First, soft neutral color palette like whites, creams, soft pastels like blush pink, mint cream, and powder blue. Muted soft faded tones for a time-worn look. Number 2. Use vintage and antique furnishings. Distressed wood furniture with chippy paint. Use farmhouse-style tables, cabinets, and hutches. Reclaimed wood or repurposed bridges. Number 3. Floral and nature-inspired patterns. Vintage floral prints on cushions, wallpaper, or upholstery. Use botanical prints, birds, and garden motifs. Number 4. Cozy and layered textiles, quilts, crochet, and lace accents. Use ruffled or linen curtains. Use soft, worn-in fabrics. Number 5. Mix of rustic and feminine touches. Ordered oud iron, and wicker accents. Use crystal candelabras or delicate porcelain pieces. Use vintage china and teacups. Number 6. Vintage and handmade accessories like old books, antique mirrors, and picture frames. Use messengers, enamelware, and glass clutches. Use hand-painted sign and tie crafts. Number 7. Open and airy spaces. Vintage shelving with open storage for displaying collections. Light and breezy curtains to maximize natural light. Cozy reading nooks with layered pictures. Number 8. Golden and natural accents. Potted plants, fresh flowers, or dried lavender. Use wicker baskets for storage. Use botanical prints and floral threads. Vintage cottage home decor is a charming and nostalgic design style that embraces time-worn beauty, comfort, and coziness. It blends antique and repurposed elements with soft romantic details to create an inviting lived-in space. This style is perfect for those who love a mix of rustic simplicity and feminine elegance. Core elements of vintage Cottagecore home decor. Furniture, aged and repurposed charm. Displays and chippy paint finishes. Furniture with an aged look adds character. Antique and vintage finds. Hunt for old wooden dressers, farmhouse tables, and cabinets. Repurpose and tie pieces, an old chair turned into a headboard, or a vintage suitcase as a side table. Mix and match styles. Combine elegant French country pieces with rustic farmhouse finds. Tip: Flower market, cheap stores, and estate sales are the best places to find authentic vintage furniture. Next, patterns and textiles. Soft and romantic. Floral prints. Classic vintage cottages often feature floral upholstery, curtains, or wallpaper. Lace and crochet accents. Delicate fabrics add old world charm. Ruffled and layered bedding. Cozy quilts, linen sheets, and embroidered pillows. Gingham, tulle, and stripes. These patterns work well for tablecloths, chair cushions, and curtains. Tip: Layering different textiles like a soft quilt over a wicker chair enhances the cozy feel. Decor accessories, nostalgic and handcrafted touches. Vintage mirrors, ornate golds, or distressed white frames add a touch of elegance. Antique picture frames, used for black and white family photos or botanical prints. Old books and candlesticks, stack books on coffee tables or shelves for a well-loved look. Use repurposed mason jars, perfect for flowers, candles, or strong kitchen essentials. Use delicate china and porcelain. Display vintage plates and teacups on open shelving. Look for authentic vintage finds or use tie etching techniques for a diamond effect. Lighting, warmth and inviting, crystal candelier, and a feminine and romantic touch. Rustic lanterns and sconces for a mix of farmhouse and vintage aesthetics. Table lamps with fabric shades use lace or floral fabrics to enhance the vintage charm. Tips: Soft, warm lighting creates a cozy atmosphere, especially with dimmable bulbs or candlelight. Vintage-inspired kitchen, the heart of the home. Farmhouse themed, a white porcelain apron front set is a classic choice. Open shelving, display vintage dishware, glass jars, and animalware. Use vodka block or marble countertops, adds warmth and vintage appeal. Repurposed cabinets, distressed wood cabinets or painted cupboards enhance the charm. Retro appliances, look for pastel colored or vintage style stoves, fridges, or mixers. Tips: Hang giant herbs, use wicker baskets, and store utensils in ceramic crocks for an old fashioned feel. Next, bedroom retreat, cozy and trimmy. Iron or wooden bed frames, a vintage style bed frame with carved details add charm. Layered bedding, ruffled duffets, embroidered pillowcases, and soft throws. Antique chairs and vanities. Look for painted or distressed oak benches, soft lighting, use table lamps with delicate shades or fairy lights for a dreamy atmosphere. Vintage rug. A faded floral or fuchsia rug completes the look, and a canopy or chopped fabric evoke the bait for a romantic touch. Bathrooms. Vintage elegance. Clawfoot bathtub. A hallmark of vintage cottage bathrooms. Pedestal sinks. Classic and space saving. Distressed autumn vanity. Repurpose an old tracer into a vanity. Antique mirrors and light fixtures. Look for gold or distressed white frames, floral or pastel towels, and softness and charm. Tips. Use aperture jars for cotton balls, bath salts, or soap to maintain a vintage aesthetic. How to achieve the vintage cottage look on a budget. Thrift shopping and flower markets. Hunt for second-hand treasures at affordable prices. Dye and upcycling. Use chalk paint to give furniture a distress-aged look. Mix old with new. Incorporate modern essentials while maintaining a vintage vibe. Repurpose and reuse. Turn old clothes into shelves, or use vintage suitcases as storage. Use handmade and heirloom pieces, knitted throws, handmade pottery, and antique coils. Add sentimental value. Vintage cottage home decor is all about creating a cozy, nostalgic, and charming environment. Whether you are decorating a single room or an entire home, focus on soft colors, antique finds, and layered textures to bring warmth and personality into your space. Vintage cottage full home decor is a perfect blend of nostalgia, warmth, and effortless charm. It embraces a well-loved aesthetic with a mix of rustic, antique, and delicate details, creating a cozy and inviting home. The essence of the style is comfort with a touch of history, where every piece tells a story. This style is rooted in simplicity and warmth, evoking the feeling of an old countryside home, filled with treasures, heirlooms, and handmade details. It's about incorporating time and beauty rather than perfection. Mixing old and new for a crowded, collected over time look. Embracing soft feminine details, artistic charm. How to get the vintage cottage look on a budget. Thrift stores and flower markets. Find unique, affordable vintage pieces. Use chalk paint to stress furniture or repurposed old items. Mix high and low. Pair true antiques with budget-friendly vintage and spa decor. Handmade accents. Crochet, knit, or sew small touches like pillowcases or towels. Shop secondhand online. Websites like Stay, Facebook Marketplace, and eBay often have great finds. Furniture owned, loved, and full of character. Vintage cottage furniture should feel loved as if it has been passed down through generations. Like distress and chippy paint finishes, other than aged furniture adds authenticity. Antique and repurposed pieces, a farmhouse table, a vintage dresser, or an iron bed frame. Handmade or tie ornaments, an old shoe turned into a headboard or repurposed window frame for decor. Carving on the details, elegant cut out details, clover tables, or spindle legs enhance the charm. If you can't find authentic vintage furniture, use chalk paint or milk paint to create a distress-aged finish. Vintage cottage decor is about creating a space that feels warm, inviting, and full of character. By blending antique charm with soft romantic touches, you can design a home that feels both timeless and personal. Vintage cottage decor is all about charm, nostalgia, and comfort. It combines time-worn beauty, soft colors, and cozy textures to create a welcoming, live-in feel. Whether you are decorating an entire home or just a single room, this style embraces a mix of rustic and romantic elements, making it perfect for those who love a blend of vintage charm and cottage coziness. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.